builder pattern, let's compare it with the prototype pattern. The builder pattern is designed to handle complex constructors. There is typically no need for an interface, but you can implement the builder with one if you want. It can be implemented with a separate class, even though it is typically implemented in the class that it is building. And since it is implemented in a separate class, it can easily integrate with legacy code without needing to change it. The prototype, on the other hand, is implemented around a clone method and trying to avoid the need to call a complex or costly constructor. Since the clone method is focused around member variables and constructors, it is implemented inside the class that it is trying to clone. This can make it difficult to implement in legacy code. Both of these patterns, though, are focused on complex constructors within one class. Their approach, though, is quite a bit different to solving that problem. So the builder tries to work with complex constructors where the prototype tries to avoid having to call them again.